let's take a look at that kind of a multi-component environment. And this is really where things get tricky. In the real world, it will be pretty hard to orchestrate different tools. You will need to build your own pipeline for that, or basically your own orchestrator, in order to make sure you have the infrastructure, the application, and the data all in one place. In this example, you can see two different Terraform modules for building the infrastructure of the environment, and a Helm chart that was deployed in order to build the microservice application. Now, a dependency was set because it's impossible to deploy the microservices without the infrastructure. So Torque really allows you to take those infrastructure blocks, regardless of the technology, and merging them together, tracking the cost, allocating or orchestrating those as environments, and then get visibility to all of the running environments we have under a specific organization. Now, we've talked about discovery, so I really wanted to present that for a second. And I'm going to move to a different team here. Torque, by the way, provides different spaces for different teams or different projects. And you see here, I have a GitHub repository. I'm just going to click on discovery. So Torque connects to that GitHub repository, looks around and looking for different ISC technologies. And you can see here that we have Terraform modules that we found, Helm chart, Kubernetes manifest, and CloudFormations. Let's just pick one of them, and let's take this KMS key we've kind of already discussed. And what Torque provides, regardless of the discovery that was already made, it is actually normalizing the automation framework. And now we have a way to just deploy it. So around 30 seconds, 2 clicks, and now I can deploy this KMS key in a centralized and managed way. That's all I need to do. Now, what you can see here, by the way, is the Torque manifests that describes what needs to be set in order to launch this Terraform module, what are the configurations, and what will be the output of this Terraform module to the user when the environment will be managed. So everything was done for me by the tool. I don't need to do anything. And if I want to kind of compose different building blocks together, I can do that in here using this YAML editor, or I can do this directly from my IDE and then use a GitOps approach in order to save it, have pull requests, branches, and more and more.